Nah, jadi guys, ini salah satu kegiatan di pagi hari.
Mickey, watch out for the coffee.
Kegiatan di pagi hari nih. Tiba-tiba kita nongol di sini jam 8 pagi. Tiba-tiba angsa pada muncul nih di sungai nih dengan suara yang begitu kencang. Nah, jadi kita kasih makan dulu angsa-angsa nih. They're fighting. No fighting, guys. Look at that. They're fighting.
Oh no.
They're fighting.
Oh.
They're trying to fly. They're trying to fly.
Diter lagi. Oh, nyanyi bebek. Ya, jadi dari sini pemandangan unik nih. Tadi nih nggak ada pas begitu kita nongkrong di sini. Tiba-tiba begitu kita tadi relax. Suaranya datang manggil-manggil. Nah, kita coba kasih ini. Mereka langsung datang. Hai guys. Nah. Jadi gede-gede banget guys ya. Gede-gede banget, gila. Jangan berantem. Awas make coffee. So Naki, what do you think Naki? Say something to the people behind you.
What's up, guys?
You like? Tell them if you like this scenery. Nah, jangan berantem. Nah. So you said Naki, bread's not good for them?
Well,
Okay.
where's this dumb
Naki, I feel so bad for them. Bebek juga kita kasih.
I didn't see them.
Bebek, weh, dicuekin bah. Bebek.
Dad, I think they're running away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11 kok ganjil ya? Bukannya pasangan. Nah, jadi ini sungai nih guys. Bukan danau. Tapi kayaknya sungainya kayaknya dalam. Soalnya nggak kelihatan ke permukaannya. Kalau dia dangkal kan pasti kelihatan di permukaan tuh. Ini roti. Nah, jangan berantem. Roti. Nah, your turn. Udah tinggal satu lagi nih guys. Tinggal satu lagi. Wih, more coming. Gap. What are you doing over there, Bal?
I was trying to get the ducks,
Oh,
but they ran away.
yeah. Okay, Glory, can you shoot him? I don't know what happened. Okay, Glory's coming to you.
Dad, looks like you're lost in here.
Oke, jadi ini kita sekarang lagi menuju ke lokasi di sebelah kanan. Karena si Gabe, anak saya yang kecil, dia manggil-manggil. What's up? What's up, Gabs? What's up, Gabs? Can't you go in there, okay? Gabe, so Gabe, what are you doing, Gab? What are you doing? No, I cannot hear you. Say
I
it.
want them to come here.
Oh, you need to come over here. Now all of them come here. So. Oh man, that guy's a big guy, Gab. Look at that. They're a different gang. There's a different gang, Gabs. Yeah, Gab. Look at that. This guy keeps chasing everybody else. Oh, Gabe, he's the mean, Gab. He's the meanie.
Hi, Minnie.
He's the meanie, Gab. Yeah. I think because you're a meanie, Gab, no?
Minnie.
Oh, ini tahanan angsa. Yes. Ya. Jadi itu dia guys pemandangan di pagi hari yang benar-benar kejadiannya spontaneous tanpa direncanakan. Tadi kita nggak merencanakan angsa-angsanya, kita suruh ke sini, kita ambil fotonya. Ya jelas, masa angsa disuruh acting. Enggak, maksudnya tadi kita itu nggak ada perencanaan, kita tadi jalan-jalan ke sini, nah tiba-tiba angsanya muncul, kita coba kasih sedikit ini, sisa-sisa makanan dari saya, tiba-tiba ini kelompok berikutnya pada datang semua. Jadi, alright deh. Oke, Naki Gabe. Oke. Alright. Okay, I'm done.
Sabi tayo duduk ba? Ibar si Jago ko doon ala ko doon.
Yeah. Alright.
Ang daro group na.
Okay. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Jadi kayaknya sungainya menyangkut ke sana. Alright, Naki, let's close it down, Naki. Alright guys, thank you udah nongkrong, thank you udah mampir di channel saya dan ikutin terus perjalanan kita di channel Uncle Tang. And together we say
Bye-bye, ciao.
ciao. Oh, another ciao over here. David, ciao, louder, ciao.
Ciao.
No, facing this way.
Ciao.
Okay, thank